Okay, I wanted to do a quick little video to show the changes I've made to the queue. So I've added in the front back again. So to add a front back job, you come over here and click on the F and the B, and then if you add either one of these, it'll add them in. So it doesn't matter which one you click on the plus, but it'll add in the front back. I've added also several things related to clearing out the queue. So if you want to clear out a queue item, you click on this guy, but if you look at the tooltip, it says press Control to also wipe the associated jobs. So like in this case, if I do Control and click on that, it will delete not only this queue item, but it'll delete job, this job Q test 2 and Q test 3. It would also delete these queue items. Anything that had 2 or 3 in it, it would go through and see that those have to be deleted also. So that's just another thing that's been added, this control. Then I added these buttons at the top: reset, clear, and wipe. Reset just resets the counter, the completion counter. So if you want to set it all back to 0 again, you can push reset. But one thing I did on all these buttons is I made it where you must press Control, because I didn't want to have any accidents happen, because it's too easy if you just click clear and you have 100 items in here. Well, you may not have, you may have wanted to hit the vac pin. So you got to hold Control, and the tooltips remind you of that. So you have to hit Control in order to use any of these buttons up here. Okay, now, so the reset resets the counter on the completion counter. Clear just deletes the queue items, and wipe actually will delete the queue items and any of the jobs associated with the queue. So I'll just show you real quick. Like wipe, I hold the Control key down, click boom, and it's gone. All the queue items are gone, and so are all the jobs. And that's what I've done so far. I just want to see what people think about that. Thanks.